everyone. My name is Christina Eugene and I'm an assistant director in residence life. With so many collegiate opportunities out there, you may be questioning what sets Rider apart, and specifically our residential experience. Well, here at Rider, one of our core values is that no one walks the halls a stranger. We are committed in residence life to provide students with a home away from home experience. We have over 75 undergraduate community assistants and 21 community directors who are all there to support, educate, and engage all of our residents. While here in our residence halls, students can choose to participate in weekly programming opportunities as well as leadership experience in our hall councils so that they can improve the building. On our campus, we have 15 residence halls, which range from standard doubles for all of our students to apartments and suites so that upper class students can select from. We even have Greek housing on our campus if you're interested in rushing. For our first year students, we have several housing options, which range from living learning communities where our faculty partner with Res Life and they program in our halls for the sciences, fine and performing arts, and even baccalaureate honors programs. We even have themed housing for our students, such as first year housing experiences. We have an all-female hall, and we even have a wellness community. If you're interested in any more information, don't hesitate to visit our website at rider.edu/reslife or follow us on IG, Instagram at riderreslife. We look forward to showing you everything our Res Life department has to offer.